Welcome to the install video. This is your reminder of a marketer, accelerated SEO onboarding. At this point, you've paid, selected your keywords, signed the agreements, and we're good to go. So it's time to install stuff on your WordPress or custom installation website. So we're going to need your login details. We're going to need your WordPress login URL, usually it's whatever your domain is, so whatever your website is, .com/WP-admin. But some people install security, which is a very good idea. And so you might have a different custom login for that. So we're going to need your WordPress URL to log in with admin access to the account temporarily. And so either you can give us you can give us an administrative account that you create for us, or we can use yours. Either way it works. And if you give us our own account, what we want to do afterwards is that once we're completed with the installation part, at that point, we'd like you to then turn that back down to like an SEO administrator or whatever, an SEO, however you want to call it, but don't leave it in admin state. That's the kind of the point of this video. So it takes us about a day or two to get the installation all set up and done. Once you've submitted the details, so that we can schedule that and get that up and going for you guys, and that's really it. It doesn't take very long to install. It's just kind of scheduling an installer to make sure that they're there and ready to go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.